Hey friends, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be sharing two very inexpensive Christmas decor DIYs. So please keep watching. So for the first DIY, I'm using 4 of these picture frames that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm taking out the black tabs on the back because we don't want that showing after we're done. And then I'm applying hot glue to all 4 corners of this picture frame and then putting the glass back onto that. So I'm going to repeat this for all 4 frames. Next, we are assembling our lantern. I applied hot glue to all 4 corners of this frames and then I placed them together. So for the bottom of the frame, I cut out a foam board to fit that. I got the foam board also from the Dollar Tree. So next, I will personalize this lantern to my taste. I have this Merry Christmas ornament that I picked up that I will be using hot glue to place that to the front of my lantern. I added a reindeer to it and some Epsom salt, or you can use fake snow for that. And I'll show you guys how this turned out after we do the second DIY. So for the second one, I picked this up from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm using some leftover ribbons that I have. The signs also from DT. I spray painted it gold. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this. All we need is that wreath form to complete this project. So now it's time to create our own beautiful wreath using leftover ribbons. So all I'm doing here is just wrapping my ribbons around the wreath form, making sure that it is nice and tight and secured. So I'm going to use hot glue to secure what I have already on there. I do need a little bit more of the ribbon, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply some hot glue to it and then add the additional ribbon to this. So now I'm just going to add the leftover ribbons to that little gap that I have there, and also just use hot glue to secure it into place. Many times, many ways, Mary. So next I'm adding this peace sign that I got from DT. I spray painted it gold, and then now I'm just applying some hot glue to it, and I'm going to place that onto my wreath. I believe it comes 3 in a pack, but I'm only using 1 of them. Next, I'm creating like this ornament cluster using some DT ornaments, and I'm just using hot glue to create the cluster. And I'm also adding this mini poinsettia at the front. So you guys will see in a little bit that I added more ornaments. I feel like it was just not enough, so I did add a few more ornaments to this. Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. So next I'm adding this pick that came in a pack of 3. I just cut 1 into 2, and I'm going to use hot glue to secure that onto the sides. And that is it for this project. It's super easy to do, and it turned out to be really beautiful. I love it. So here is the completed DIYs. I love the way they both turned out. You guys let me know which one is your favorite. Do you prefer the lantern or the wreath? I think they're both equally as beautiful. I can't even pick one. I love it, and it really goes well with my holiday decor. It is so beautiful and so inexpensive to make, and it turned out to be really nice. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment section. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I do have a few more holiday videos coming for you, my Christmas tree and my mantle decorations, so make sure that you turn on your notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless.